Welcome to our tutorial on how to hide a label in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to accomplish this. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top left corner of your Gmail interface, locate and click on the main menu icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Next to the label you want to hide, click on the More option. This will open a submenu. Step 4. In the submenu, find and select the Hide option under the Label List section. By hiding a label in Gmail, you can declutter your inbox and streamline your email management. This feature allows you to temporarily hide labels that are not immediately relevant, providing a cleaner and more focused view of your emails. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Stay organized and optimize your Gmail experience on your PC by hiding labels.